Let's talk about why spacing your plants is very important. These beans, when they were small, look like they'd never fill up that space, but as they're about halfway up those poles, you can see all of that space in between each pole is going to be full all the way up to the top. These kales are the right space so that the biggest leaves barely touch. Our lizard friend, hey buddy. And the width between two rows so that I can still walk in between needs to be appropriate. They'll get really tall and leggy if you plant too many close together, kind of like these lettuces have. It'll make sure that they get proper sun and that the bees can pollinate all of the flowers on your plants. Correct spacing on each plant, not only for the foliage, but for the nutrients in the ground. It will let them provide their own source of foliage cover for water retention and also prevent a lot of mildews and diseases on your plants so they stay healthier. On the back of every packet is the seed spacing and a bunch of other instructions for when to plant and how far apart to plant. 4 to 6 inches on this packet. So you plant every seed 4 to 6 inches, or you plant a bunch and then you thin them out. If you buy potted plants, each of those is going to have their own instructions as well. So follow the instructions that are on either your seed packets if you're doing starters, seed packets when you're going straight into the ground, or the labels on any commercial plants that you might buy. If you have multiple plants per tray like these, all you do is you take them out, and each of these plants can be separated from the others just by tenderly pulling the bases, and then this plant goes the correct distance from another plant. But just remember, if you adhere to the spacing requirements for all of your plants, they're going to be healthier, happier, and have more production.